Hi guys, and welcome again to the Island Gardeners. I'm Linval, and behind the camera we have Kay. Want to again introduce you to our sugar apple tree, and this has been absolutely bountiful this season. We have been harvesting sugar apples from this tree for maybe what, 6 weeks, maybe 6 weeks to 2 months.
About that?
Yeah. And right now there's so much on it, they are falling off, so we're going to be making picking some of the fit ones. So here we go. So when you look at the sugar apple, once they start opening up and you see that color change inside there versus this one here, you know that okay, this one is about ready to be harvested. And you can notice the fruit is actually opening up. Oh, look at that one. And the ants just love to go inside of these.
I think that's one of the biggest challenges is the ants.
Oh, this one is actually ripe. See, it just falls off when you touch them.
And this, of course, is a sweet, delicious fruit, very creamy.
As you can see by the ants, the ants are definitely a sign that this has a high sugar content.
It's called sugar apple. Now, this is typically a tropical fruit. We are in zone 9B right now. And of course, if you're in this area, you are able to grow a tropical fruit like the sugar apple. If you're from the islands, you definitely are familiar with the sugar apple, or Southeast Asia, correct?
Yeah. And compared to tropical trees, this can deal with moderate frost. It actually gets deciduous during the winter time. It loses its leaf, so it can handle moderate frost, but not heavy frost, not freeze.
So there's some that already fell to the ground. We lost them. And this is a pretty tall tree too.
Yeah, it is. It actually is.
We will also have some small fruit, not only trees for sale, correct? In our Etsy store. So if you're interested in owning this or you're in the right zone, you can check with us to see if your zone will actually accommodate that. But you can also check out our Etsy store and see if you're interested in adding this delicious fruit to your backyard garden. And check out the ladder that Limbo has. It's a super tall ladder because the tree has just really grown a lot. And if you're not sure how to eat this sugar apple, I think we have a video on it too. You can check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. So you will be able to see how to eat this and what it looks like as well. It's akin to the soursop, right, Limbo?
Yeah, it's in the same line.
As he tries to find the fruits among here. And you'd say this year has been the most bountiful year we've had.
Yeah. So they progressively increase in harvest as the tree matures. And so, you know, this is quite a young tree. Wow, Camila.
What's the wow? Oh my gosh. It's actually
so super ripe.
Are you seeing the size of this? We are so excited. We shall eat like kings and queens tonight. I love the sugar apple fruit. This one is definitely ready. I typically eat 2 or 3 at a time, so they won't last too long.
I think we should probably...
I think that's it.
We can pick some more, but I don't know.
We'll keep looking. And of course, you know, if you're local, you can definitely get some as well. If you're interested in purchasing or tasting this fruit, feel free to reach out to us. So some small ones. And what we have to do now because of the ants is to pick them early, and so that they can ripe inside, so they don't get attacked by the ants or fall off the tree like some have done. I've always loved tree ripening fruits, and so that's been one of the reasons we've been keeping them on, but has definitely proven not the best ways to go, as the tree's so tall and we can't always see them before they fall off. Oh, gone, another one. And I think too, with the rain falling so much, I feel like they're opening a lot.
Yeah, but even without the rainfall, the sugar apple normally opens up when it ripes. Yeah,
but it's more so happening. All right, so you want to see our bounty?
Yeah, there you have it. Sugar apple harvest for today.
And the ants, we have to get rid of those. But thank you so much for joining us on this journey. You want to open one up?
Yeah.
Sure.
Ooh, lots of ants inside.
Yeah, so to be honest, I just washed them off and it's good to go.
Right.
You gonna taste one?
Yeah.
Okay. He's brave. Nothing will stop me.
Nothing like a high protein ant diet.
Oh gosh.
So sweet. And it does have some seeds inside there.
Yeah, take a look at the seeds. And this you can plant as well.
But they're like really, really sweet.
Yeah. Well,
it actually tastes like it has grains of sugar when you eat it. I guess that's why they call it sugar apple, because you can literally, the pulp is very smooth, but you can taste like little granules of like sugar grains inside here, right?
correct. And as I said before, it tastes, you get this sour sop. Is very similar to that, but just much sweeter and delicious.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, what's this on you?
Scratches your throat the way it's sweet. Like definitely like.
Wow. I guess you're enjoying that one.
Mm-hmm. All right, so until next time, guys. Walk good. And happy gardening. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe.